What's up guys, welcome to Danny's Tech, and in this video I'll be reviewing the EasySMX wireless game controller from EasySMX. Firstly, I'd like to thank EasySMX for providing me with this controller to review, but this is not going to be the review video, this is just unboxing. So this controller works with PlayStation 3, Android 5.0 or above with OTG function, as well as smart TVs and PCs. So let's see what we get in the box. Let's just open this up. Oh, I pulled it out. So first let's check this. So this is the dongle for the Wi-Fi wireless dongle. It uses a Wi-Fi wireless 2.4, I believe. So I'll check that and put it in my review video. But I'm interested to see how it compares with the dongle of the my other game controller, the one from Logitech. I want to see if this one is better, but it's bigger than the Logitech one, so I'm hoping I'll get a better signal with it. So I'll let you know guys in the review video. Also, what else is in here? Before I pull it up, we get a USB Type-C charging cable, and yes, this controller comes with its own battery. It has a 600 milliamp battery already inside, so you don't have to keep changing batteries, and it lasts up to 8 hours, so that's good. So you've got that. Before we bring the control, what else is in here? Oh, we have the manual. I'll check that out later. You get a sign up and get a $10 voucher. Okay, this controller will cost you $33, so it's not too expensive. So let's see. Okay, feels good in the hands. Thumbsticks feel nice and smooth. Nice. D-pad feels nice. Buttons feel nice, really good, nice feel. Shoulder buttons have a nice feel. It has a turbo button as well, but I usually don't use turbo, so but if you use turbo, it's good. You have the start, back, and also it has nice grip on the side. And my cat's making a noise now. So I will be doing a review video in the next few days. This was just the unboxing. If you watch my next video, I have a special gift for my viewers. You can get 10% off any product from the EasySMX website. Like any product, using one of the promo codes they gave me. They gave me 2 promo codes. The first one, you can get 10% off of any products. The second promo code, you can get 15% off any of the game controllers. This game controller particularly, the ESM9101 wireless game controller. You can, and that code is valid until Father's Day this year. So in my next video, which will be coming tomorrow, I will also put the codes in the description so you can get discounts from their website. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you can. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. So see you guys, have a good day, bye.